Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Mark at MAS Audio, and as you can see we've got a bench with a load of bits on it. The main interesting piece is this. Now this is a amplifier from a 5 series, and as you can see got some corrosion on the back there and on the top, and we've opened this up and there is water damage in there. So this is a Harman Becker BE B217. Now we managed to get another unit. We've stripped out the boot where it lives in this car, so we've removed this panel, all the carpets and everything to access where it lives, and we've got a donor amplifier which I've just plonked in there. So this one came from a 520, and this car has no badges on, so I can't tell you what it is. But it's the same amp, another 217, and it looks immaculate. There's no sign of any corrosion on it. We haven't done any programming or anything, but we're going to switch the car on and see what happens. So let's get in here. We'll press the start stop button. Oh, we've got some bongs, that's a good sign. No sound coming through. There's the volume off. Oh, yeah. I won't play it too long because there's copyright, but that is playing music. So that has fixed that, and there's no programming required. So there's just a little handy tip for you if you have a 5 series that has a water damaged amplifier. You can just swap it over and you don't need to code it. That was one thing I was wondering if that would be needed, but it looks like it isn't. Now, how water gets in here is another thing that needs addressing, because obviously this one will just end up with the same problem. But I don't know how water got in there, because it does have this little cover, and this cover sits over the top and covers the amp up. So how water actually got into the amp, I'm not too sure, unless that was just surface corrosion from, you know, moisture condensation and the amp just packed up in another way. But yeah, it's an unusual one. But there we go, there's a little quick video for you guys on how we replaced an amplifier. Now, to get to the amplifier, obviously all these pieces have to come out, but basically you've got this trim panel, the floors and the carpets that cover the battery, and this piece as well, and the pieces are down here. So this is just a little cover which is held on with the 2 screws. This has got 4 little holes with pop clips in. The tools you'll need, you just need something to remove these little trims, like a little puller or even a screwdriver, but we like to use one of these things. And then you've got, what is this, a T40 to undo this hook that's on the side of the trim. Sorry, I'm not showing you that there. So you've got this hook and cover and bolt, T40 tool to undo that. You've got an 8mm spanner which holds the amp in place, and I did use a 10mm to undo these little plastic nuts as well. But you want to be careful because somebody's already ripped these ones off. These are actually supposed to be riveted to the main backboard, and you're supposed to undo the nuts to pull that backboard up. But as you can see, they've just ripped off of something, and they're actually on this main backboard piece here, the floor of the boot. So you have this little flap that lifts up, but they are mounted, it's supposed to be in there, and someone's obviously pulled it up and ripped them off rather than undoing the little 10mm to get to the battery. So somebody's done that in the past and broken it. And that's it. It's just a few bolts, a load of pop clips, and then you undo a little 8mm off of there, and this just slides up. You can just pick it up and take it out. It slides on those little grooves sticking out there. So yeah, that's that. We're going to button this up, get it all back together, get it back to the customer. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that will help some of you out there with a 5 Series if you've got no sound, and hopefully you'll join us for the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.